안녕하세요. 저는 Kony, Gaib with 대표입니다. 반갑습니다. I come from a traditional finance background. I began my career in investment banking, doing credit research, equity research, and private equity before entering the crypto space. The reason why I started Gaib was because I saw a fundamental gap between AI and Web3. Just as coal is a physical commodity of the industrial age, enterprise-grade GPUs like NVIDIA's H200s, B200s are the commodities of the AI era. GPUs provide computation power, which trains and runs AI. AI is the brain, then GPU is the heart, and compute is the blood that keeps the brain alive. Yet, despite being the most valuable asset of our era, there's no open market for these AI infrastructure assets. We have a market for gold, for oil, even oranges. But ironically, we don't have one for the most valuable assets that empower the AI economy. As Vitalik mentioned, we need to break the DeFi Ouroboros, the cycle of use that come from nothing except for new token emission and inflation. AI infrastructure is the perfect solution. That was the motivation behind Gaib. We have very deep AI industry roots. My co-founders and I come from AI, cloud computing, blockchain, and finance. This gives us unique access to institutional-grade GPUs, NVIDIA cloud partners, and top robotics companies that most projects simply cannot reach. It's also why we have built a multi-billion-dollar pipeline of compute and robotic assets across more than 10 countries. We have a proven infrastructure and real product market fit. At peak, we had over $200 million in terms of committed capital, and we work directly with the sovereign-level NVIDIA cloud partners, listed companies, best robotic companies in the industry. As we have explained, there's no market for AI infrastructure today. Gaib is here to fill the gap. We are the financial infrastructure that aims to bring the AI economies accessible to everyone through blockchain. Today, every AI model you use, ChatGPT, Midjourney, AI assistants, all rely on extremely powerful computers. These are enterprise-grade GPUs like the H200s or B200s. They are very expensive, typically cost a few $100,000. But despite their importance, there's no investment market that's available for these assets. You cannot buy a fraction of GPU or invest directly into the compute that trains AI. You can only buy NVIDIA stock, which is indirect. But Gaib changes that. We created the AI dollar. It's a digital asset backed by real AI infrastructure, GPUs, data centers compute, robotics hardware. When these infrastructures are being financed and deployed, they generate revenue from AI workloads. And these real revenue will then flow back to the digital asset holders. The easiest way to understand that is, if AI is like a gold rush, everyone is trying to dig for gold. Gaib is giving people access to the shuffle business, the infrastructure that everyone needs. Our long-term vision is to become the economic layer for global AI infrastructure. We want the entire AI supply chain, compute, robotics, and eventually energy, to be tokenized, traded, and used to generate real on-chain rewards at scale. We were the first to tokenize GPUs and launched a synthetic dollar backed by AI infrastructure. Now, we have expanded into robotics, becoming the first to bring real embodied AI robots on-chain. This is important because we believe that the next wave of AI innovation is physical. For the past decades, AI has focused on the brain, models, software, and virtual intelligence. The next chapter is giving AI a body to interact with the real world. From robotaxi to humanoid robots, embodied AI will transform every industry the same way that mobiles, automobiles did. Just like compute, these robots require financing and infrastructure to scale. Robotics is the next natural pillar for us. Our roadmap is actually very simple. Grow AI dollar adoption, deploy more real-world compute and robotic assets, and expand integration so that more people can have access to it. Our goal is that in the future, when anybody think about investing directly into AI, not stocks, but the actual assets that empower AI, they will think of Gaib first. To the career community, first, I want to say thank you. 정말 감사합니다. The support from the career community has been incredible. It is also a big reason why Gaib has come so far. Like Korea is one of our most important markets. You truly understand innovation and are always eager to recognize new technologies. Your energy motivates us to keep building and improving and get more products for you. We're committed to bring AI, real transparency, and real utility to Korea. We'll continue sharing updates and engaging more closely with the Korea community. Gaib has just started, and the AI era is only the beginning. We want Korea to be at the center of this journey with us. Thank you again. Please continue to support Gaib. 가입해주세요.